Now for the big change. It's time to paint those bricks.
This Romabio paint is perfect for painting a brick house. It's not made with latex, it's not made with oil. So it is concentrated, so we're gonna dilute it with water, but it's mineral paint. So that's why it's perfect for painting bricks. So it's like bonding a rock to your bricks.
Wow, so does it still let the brick breathe?
Right, exactly. That's why it's a little less maintenance than regular paint. But before he can spray, one of us is gonna have to wet the bricks.
Okay.
So you just want them to be damp. So one of us can do that, one of us can help Dad with the spray shield, and then we can back brush. So we'll all be busy.
I'm using an airless sprayer that essentially pumps the paint onto the bricks. In just a few minutes, we're able to cover a lot of wall space. In this case, we're back brushing to force the paint into the gaps and cracks in the surface. This process is only necessary on the first coat.
So when you use a spray can, everybody makes the same mistake. They go like that, and it's a radius. You want to be even, so just go even the same amount, about this distance, back and forth, and just have so much fun.
When Danny handed Morgan the spray gun, that's basically like handing the keys to a Ferrari to a 15-year-old. But she did a good job.
I was scared at first, but I think I got the hang of it.
Looks like everybody's busy. Think I can go get a cup of coffee. By the end of the day, the bricks are painted and the house looks completely different. With a little money and a lot of work, we've taken years off of this little house. Without the carport, the brick planter, and the overgrown shrubs, you can now see the house. And painting the bricks a lighter shade really allows it to stand out on this beautiful lot.